Hi, I'm Ken Partain with Central Texas Technology Solutions in Georgetown. In this next series of videos, I want to share with you the 4 most costly misconceptions about computer maintenance and repair. Today we're going to cover misconception number 1. My computer network doesn't need regular monitoring and maintenance. This is probably one of the biggest and most costly misconceptions that business owners have. Usually this is because they've been fortunate enough to never have encountered a major disaster. But that's similar to someone thinking they don't need to wear a seatbelt when driving a car because they've never had an accident. Computer networks are complex and dynamic systems that need regular updates and maintenance to stay up, running fast, and problem-free. In fact, it's surprising how fast a brand new PC will slow down after a few weeks of use without proper updates and maintenance. Here are just a few of the critical updates that need to be done on a weekly, if not daily basis. Security patches applied. With new viruses and hacker attacks cropping up hourly, this is a critical part of maintaining your network. Antivirus updates and monitoring. Firewall updates and monitoring. Backup monitoring and test restores. Spam filter installation and updates. Spyware detection and removal. Monitoring disk space on workstations and servers. Monitoring hardware for signs of failure. Optimizing systems for maximum speed. Automatic removal of temporary files. Just like a car, if you don't change the oil, replace the filter, rotate the tires, flush the transmission, and perform other regular maintenance on your car, it will eventually break down and cost you far more in repairs than the cost of the basic maintenance. And cars are far simpler than a computer network. If your computer support tech does not insist on some type of regular automated monitoring or maintenance of your network, then do not hire them. Lack of system maintenance is the #1 reason most people end up losing valuable files and incurring heavy computer bills. If we can help with your computer network, please give us a call at 512-388-5559 or visit us on the web at cttsonline.com. Thank you and have a great day.